Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a peach mango salsa that is so delicious when served with tortilla chips or over grilled fish, chicken, or pork chops. It's a great, refreshing summer recipe. One cup of diced peeled mangoes, 1 cup of diced peeled peaches, 1 cup of chopped bell pepper. You can use red or green. I like the color that the red one adds to the salsa. 1/4 cup of finely diced red onions and 1/4 cup of finely chopped cilantro. Chopped jalapeno. I use a whole jalapeno, but you can use 1/4 or half of a jalapeno chopped really finely. 1 teaspoon of finely minced ginger. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, depending on your tastes, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And if your fruit is not sweet enough, if it's a bit sour, you can add a teaspoon or more of brown sugar. And all you need to do is just mix all the ingredients together. Add in the peaches, the mango, red or green bell peppers, chopped cilantro, red onions. You can use yellow onions if you want to, or shallots or green onions, jalapeno peppers, the ginger, and salt. And add the lime juice. Stir all the ingredients together, and your salsa is ready to be served. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.